In the entire history of space exploration, our species was only able to directly observe 3 celestial bodies from outside our own solar system, coming into our backyard. They've all been discovered over the past 8 years, and that kind of makes some people wonder what's going on. The first one is the infamous Oumuamua, an elongated and strange-looking interstellar object that's the official term for this thing, given its untraditional shape that was discovered in 2017 and had people wondering whether we're witnessing some alien ship casually moving through space in front of our eyes. 2 years later, in 2019, the Borisov came into the news, the second ever interstellar object and the first ever rogue comet we've ever spotted. Just like its predecessor, it came, created a fuss here on Earth, and then it went away. On July 1, 2025, the third interstellar object was spotted by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS telescope in Chile. Described just like the others in Interloper, it has been officially christened ATLAS, and it is presently the object of intensive study by interested parties. The thing popped on our radars after astronomers observed its unusual trajectory. It does not follow a closed orbital path about the Sun, pointing to the fact that it doesn't come from our immediate neighborhood. The studies that have been conducted since the discovery have confirmed that and also revealed a thing or two about it. The comet is at a distance of 416 million miles from the center of our solar system. And it's moving pretty fast, 37 miles per second relative to the Sun, and the speed is expected to increase even further as it moves further into Sol, as it will make the closest approach to our star in late October, when it will pass inside the orbit of Mars. ATLAS is believed to be 12 miles wide, and that could scare some people because as far as comets go, it's simply huge. Yet, the people looking at it are confident that the stranger poses no danger to our civilization, as it will only get within a distance of 149 million miles from Earth. It's unclear at this point what the composition and behavior of the comet are. A large number of telescopes, including the ones in Hawaii, Chile, and Australia, are trained on it in the hopes they'll give us a better understanding of what to expect from it. There's not much time left to find out its secrets, as the comet is expected to get behind the Sun from our perspective in September. In early December, it should reappear on the other side of the star, giving us another chance to look at it before it heads out and exits our region of space, never to return. What we know so far is that the object most likely was born outside our solar system, and for one reason or another it was ejected into interstellar space. It probably wandered aimlessly for billions of years, eventually making its way here, coming from the general direction of the constellation Sagittarius, the central region of our galaxy. The comet is an active one, meaning it contains an icy nucleus and a coma, the bright cloud of gas and dust that is generated as these things get closer and closer to stars. Needless to say, interest in ATLAS or any other kind of interstellar object, for that matter, is absolutely huge. I mean, just think about it, there's no chance in hell our species will leave Sol in the foreseeable future, so such comets are our best and only shot of having a look at elements brewing elsewhere in this universe. Sadly, there is no chance our species will be able to launch some kind of interception mission targeting ATLAS. But, who knows, seeing how interstellar objects passing through seem to become the norm, the future might be brighter than we all think. The European Space Agency is presently preparing exactly such a mission. Simply called Comet Interceptor, it should launch in 2029 with the stated goal of getting a much closer look at either a pristine comet or an interstellar object, whichever may come first. The spacecraft will establish its observation post at the Sun-Earth Lagrange Point 2, and it will wait until a suitable target comes along. When that's detected, it will move to intercept and give us a much more intimate look at it. ESA is hopeful that the Comet Interceptor might just rendezvous with an interstellar object, but in all fairness, it calls such an outcome improbable. The spacecraft will, however, act as a first demonstration of a rapid response mission that waits in space for its target and might just open up the doors for new, more capable ones.